You should never miss Gigantes Islands when visiting Iloilo. For less than 1,200, imagine 5 to 6 islands na agad ang mapupuntahan ninyo. Bumiyahe kami from Iloilo City at 5 AM and after 3 hours of travel, finally we arrived at 8 AM sa port. Pagdating doon, diretso kami sa ticketing area and presented our mobile voucher from Klook. Super convenient kasi no need to print anything. Our first stop, Pulupandan Islet. Usually, ito talaga ang first destination ng island hopping tours. Next, Cabugao Gamay Island, the most iconic among the Gigantes group of islands. Tinatawag din itong Selfie Island dahil sa famous viewpoint na madalas nyong nakikita sa mga travel vlogs. Then, Cabugao Daku Island. Contrary to its name Daku, I actually find it cute kasi ang liit ng island. Tapos, may maliit pang cave. We also explored Antonia Island Resort, one of my favorites dito sa Gigantes. Dito kami nag-lunch, may ali scallops, unique rock formations, at may water activities pa. Of course, we tried the banana boat. And finally, our last stop, Pantigue Sandbar. Sa 3 beses kong pagpunta rito, ngayon lang nagpakita to. Kaya syempre, we had to take this shot. What a perfect way to end our tour. We booked a private tour via Klook, perfect for big groups kasi pwede ninyo i-customize kung anong islands gusto nyong puntahan at mas controlled pa namin ang time per stop. Join your tours are also available and don't forget to use the code KeepWanderingKlook for a discount.